It's Mike Less, and I am out in the field with my dad and my cousin John, and that is my cousin John Less in the cab of his John Deere 9560 STS Combine with a new 630F grain head. It's been a long time since I remember seeing a guy combining soybeans in December, but up here in Northeast Ohio, they have had a terrible fall, and they actually just had snow on the ground as of yesterday. There's still a little bit in the shady areas here. He's trying to get his soybeans off here. It's not ideal conditions, but got to do what you got to do to get done. And these are still his early crop soybeans. He does have several acres of double crop soybeans. As soon as he gets done with this field, he was going to jump over to the double crop. As I'm editing this video, I'm not sure if he's completely done yet or not, but he did have a couple more days there to run. This is just a quick video as it was creeping up on dark when I was here. Also in the video is his John Deere 7830 tractor hooked to his underfirst grain cart. And here's a look at the white 2110 tractor. When I was a kid, this was the big tractor on the farm. My late Uncle Ed bought that tractor brand new. I think I was in 11th grade, so that would have been about 1985, spring of 1985 when he got that, I think. Anyways, it doesn't get used as hard as it did back in the day, but it still is used on the farm. And as I said, it's not very often you see soybeans still standing out in the field in December, especially around Christmas time, but there's still plenty of corn and soybeans out in the field to be harvested yet that I can see through Ohio and Indiana and other states. This is just a quick video. I did not get any unloading on the go footage, and you will see why here real soon. He just got this 30-foot head, stepping up from a 25-foot head, and now he needs an extension on the grain auger, as you will see here coming up in the next clips. It's pretty tight to get here to unload, but like I said, he's just wrapping up the season here, so he's getting by for now. Okay, everyone, that is going to wrap up this video. As always, thanks for watching and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and Merry Christmas from the Lesses.